Hello YouTube, this is Beastly Ben 106 here, and I have 5 packs of Wacky Packages Series 8 stickers. I'm going to open them up, see what we get. Alright, the first pack. See, we have Peepsy, Sting Pop, Call of Duty, Black Oops, Coca-Cola, Clucky Charms, Rice Creepies. Looks like a kind of like one of those wavy cannonballs, shrunken noodle soup. And looks like a sparkly goldfish. Yeah, I'm not sure what those mean, but because these are my first ever packs. But if they're like rare or anything, just tell me in the comment section below. Tell me if they're rare or anything. But alright, second pack. Alright, we have Mr. Picasso Head, Fix Me, Croaker Jack, Milk Dudes, sorry, Can That's Dry, Chapstink, Drowny, and Silly Bangs, I think, maybe. Alright. Third pack. I'm not sure if anything on the back means anything. They're just funny. Alright. Hot Pockets, Flunkables, Dr. Pester, Frankenberry, Skittish Fish, Buzzerfinger, Harry Popper, and Raisagani. It's like the fourth pack. Okay, another Skittish Fish, another Buzzerfinger, Chops Ahoy, Plunder, Pop-Up Hearts, Randy D, Night at the Mausoleum, I can't pronounce that, sorry, and another Call of Duty Black Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, now for the fifth and final pack. I'm going to open it off screen. Alright, we have Dunkin' Pumpkin Donuts, Frothing Flakes, Elio's Electric Pizza, Grenades and Ham by Dr. Sausage, 8 Up, Buff, I Can't Believe It's Big Brother, and finally, another Sting Pop. And okay, so those were the 5 packs of Wacky Packages Eraser Series 8 stickers. But maybe we can get more of these in the future. But these are my first 5 packs because I got the value box, which comes with 3 packs of Wacky Packages Eraser Series 2 and 5 packs of the Wacky Packages Stickers Series 8. Which I did also another opening for the 3 packs of Wacky Packages Series 2. Which I have over to the side here. But yeah, alright, till next time. Thanks for watching, and bye.